In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your computer folders using Dropbox Backup on your desktop. This will help safeguard your important files and ensure you have peace of mind, knowing they're securely stored in the cloud. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have the Dropbox desktop app installed on your computer. It's important that you're signed in to your account, as everything hinges on these initial steps. If you haven't installed it yet, don't worry, you can download it from the official Dropbox website and follow the simple installation instructions provided there. Once you're logged in and ready, let's move on to the backup process. Now head over to your system tray if you're using a Windows computer, or to the menu bar if you're on a Mac OS device. You'll see the familiar Dropbox icon there. Click on it to open up a quick access menu for Dropbox features and settings. Your destination here is Preferences, which you'll find nestled within the options presented. Select it and get ready to dive into the backup settings. Within Preferences, you'll notice a tab labeled Backups. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you'll manage all of your backup configurations. Depending on the version of Dropbox you're running, you might see a button that says Manage Backups or Set Up. Click on it to start the backup process. Next, you'll see a list of devices linked to your account. Choose the computer you're currently working on, or if you're looking to back up an external drive, select that option. Then, you'll be presented with a list of folders that are commonly backed up, such as your desktop, documents, and downloads. Check the boxes next to the folders you wish to back up to the cloud. Now, you'll need to confirm your selection and allow Dropbox to access these specific folders. If you're using a Mac OS device, you might see a prompt asking for permission to grant Dropbox access to the folders. Make sure to approve this so the backup can proceed smoothly. Once set up, your chosen folders will begin the process of backing up to Dropbox's cloud storage. This may take some time, depending on how many files you're backing up and your internet speed. The great news is, you can continue using your computer as normal while Dropbox does its thing in the background. The backup process is designed to be seamless and unobtrusive, allowing you to protect your files without any hassle. That's it! By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully set up a backup system with Dropbox that ensures your important files are safe and sound. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other instructional videos for more useful tips and tricks.